Henry and the Great Railway Show. Team engines overhaul. Thomas and Percy told Toby at their signal box. The fucking trawler wouldn't let him. It was repaired. The team engines are coming, oh ho ho. The team engines are coming, oh ho ho ho. If you mustn't be late, grumbled Douglas. He was saying, dude. I know, said Toby. Thomas, Percy, Toby, and Douglas were soon really furious. Donald and Douglas told Thomas, Percy, and Toby was very furious today. It was special, the team engines, like an overhaul. Beep, beep, hello, said Edward. And she moved over the tunnel. And special, he came out the tunnel. And he once disappeared. Gordon was happy, and he was troubled with coaches. Don't make such a fuss, grumbled the coaches. Yeah, said Gordon. Gordon was very special, faster and faster. And faster, and grumbled somewhere the coaches. Yeah, that's right. Gordon. And he was really and faster. And suddenly he saw Henry with a tunnel. Gordon pressed wish, and he stopped. What happened next? asked Gordon. Don't hear, replied Henry. Gordon was most important, and he wanted to realize the fucking trawler was serious. Told Gordon's driver, and he wants trouble to be seen. Yeah, said Gordon. You are very happy today. Gordon is going reverse to the horns and into our burgers. The fucking trawler, said Edward the big folkweeks. Edward, said the fucking trawler, I'm going to need to pull the coaches. I need to pull him from now. Yes, sir, said Edward, and Edward chopped away. And he trouble to be seen. Steady, Edward, called the driver. I know, said Edward. And now let's do it somewhere to overhaul, indeed. And he stopped. And he moved in reverse. Edward moving backwards to the coaches. Then he coupled up to the coaches and ready to pull. I can't do it, said Edward. Come on. Anything special to be seen? Ha, laughed Gordon. Anything special? Edward was feeling very furious. We need to call Henry, said the driver. We know, sir, said Edward. And soon it somewhere to Henry. Yeah, Henry, said the controller. What are you going to do? Oh, yes, I do, replied Henry. It was over the place. Henry come out of the tunnel and to finish the bricks and inside the tunnel. Henry was very excited. Oh, yes, I do, replied Henry. This is very dark, and it will reach you, please. Henry was very excited. Edward was excited, and he coupled up to Edward, and Gordon traveled along, and Gordon coupled up with Henry, and Gordon and Henry coupled up to the coaches like a team engine's overhaul. And the engines are soon ready. Boop boop, whispered. Are you ready, Henry? Edward. Beep beep, whistled Edward. I'm ready, Henry. Beep beep, whistled Henry. So am I. Pull hard will do it. Pull hard will do it. They puffed together. Ha ha ha, laughed Gordon. Suddenly, he was at a cracking noise. Ouch! Exclaimed Henry. Whatever it is, I think it's broken. It bounced off Edward's boiler, disappeared. Ow! Exclaimed Edward. I'm hurt my boiler. The top hat was the fire controller lost his hat. And Gordon was charged at the station just in time. Hooray! Said Gordon. We called them after all, said Edward. You've done it, hooray! You've done it, hooray! Said the coaches. Very nice, Gordon and Edward, said Henry. And you want to realize this. Gordon and Edward had to keep checking. Henry was very sorry with you special. Edward was very happy of Henry, the green engine, and he was special, and he was to trouble when he was going. As for Siren, his route is full of stuff. The end.